chicken are worth 100 coins. If you buy 6 chickens, the total price is 600. The output of chickens are eggs and feathers. Daily earnings 7.5 diamonds. Monthly earnings 225 diamonds. These are the price range for upgrading the lands in every level.
So ayun, makikita po natin dito 1,500 coins level 2, and sa 5 monthly earnings niya 540. So possible yung ROI nito is nasa 3 months kasi 540 times 3, so mababalik yung 1,500. Regarding naman sa conversion, yung gold coins at yung diamonds ay same po sila, 1:10. So 1 gold coin is to 10 pesos. So for example, 1,500 coins times 10, so 15,000 para ma-level 2. Tapos 540 times 10, 5,400 yung earnings mo. So 3 months to, at yung estimated nito is 1.2% daily ROI or 1.6%, 1.2 hanggang 1.6%. So low yield to kasi madami din namang earn. Dito naman I need mo 6,000 pesos. Yung daily earnings niya ay 75 pesos at monthly earnings 2,250. So ganun po yung computation.